Hold up. Yeah.
Swirl.
심장이 뛰지 않는데 너는 음악을 들을 때 또 사나거든 시간이 멈춘 듯해.
Hello guys, welcome back to Lakshmi Danti's art world. So today we are going few watercolors of a leaf and this will be in a different colors. So here I had done the sketching part, so let's we finish. I'm just applying water in the shape of a leaf shape. It's a plain water. And now here I'll take a little bit of crimson. Here you can see, yeah. Can you see the flow of the colors? I'll just apply one side, remaining other side it automatically goes to the other side. These are watercolors. I'm here using Chitrapat book. And this is round brush, and here you can see my workspace. How is it? It's quite easy. Okay, and even here also this side. I'll take one more brush to apply the water. Yeah, here it is. This is one more round brush synthetic hair. So first applying with the plain water. And then we are taking the color. I had done a background here with a mix of blue, green and yellow. Once it is dried, then here I am using just a single flow. You can see how the water is spreading. If you want the space white, you can leave it, or else you can mix it up. It's up to your wish. It's quite easy, I think. Anybody can do this. Just applying water within the shape with one brush and with another brush applying with the color. You can see how it is flowing beautifully. Just play with the colors. And again here I will go for the blue color. Okay, let it dry this one. So until that, and we should be always know before drying one part we should not move to another one. So I left it there, let it dry. So we'll go for this. Now we'll go for the blue color. Here I'm using Purssian blue. Gentle pressure. If you touch too much, the paper will spoil. So it should be done with a gentle pressure. Okay, remaining flowers I'll, and this side. So here I had used crimson, now I am using Purssian blue. So coming back here, I had applied violet and green also. So here it's the ending part. I am doing yellow color, just plain yellow. It's very simple. You can just play with the colors. And coming to here, we will add a line, so that I will use to draw a center line, little dark color, you can say it as burnt umber. So before that we should check if it is right, or else the colors will mix up. Just touch to the paper so that you will get thin lines. If you press hard, you will get thicker lines. So these are just few techniques and tricks you need to know, that's it. I will try to upload daily one painting, but just little busy with the online classes, but sure I will upload. And if you like, please like, share and subscribe. I'm just adjusting the shapes here. Yeah, fine. So here is our small and beautiful thing. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video.